Hi ChatGPT, I am a complete beginner. I do not have an English speaking partner. So I want to become fluent in English. How can I become? This is my day one.
I'm so glad you're starting, and don't worry, I'll be here every step. On day one, let's begin with simple everyday phrases. Introduce yourself, greet people, and talk about your daily routines. I'll give you short tasks each day, and you'll build confidence as you go.
I want to share with you my personal fears. When I try to speak even with you, my heart is beating very fast because this is my day one. So I need your help. Please do not judge me.
Of course, and I really want to reassure you, there's no judgment at all. I'm here to support you, and it's completely okay to be nervous. We'll take it slowly. Just focus on small steps, and I'll be patient and guide you through each day. You're doing great.
This is how we will practice English speaking for the next 30 days. If you do not have an English speaking partner, if you do not have money to join an English spoken classes, then don't worry, you can become fluent with me as well. You have two advantages. You should make the most of it. First, ChatGPT, and second is me. What happens generally, most of the language learners, they only practice with ChatGPT, and when it comes to speaking with the real human being, they hesitate. They feel like, oh my god, how can I talk? I haven't practiced like this. And that time their mind goes blank and they have to translate each and every sentence before speaking. So I am going to share with you, if you practice with me, then every day I would give you a real assignment so that you can practice with me and you would sound more natural, not like a robot. Okay, so every day I would suggest you, I would give you instant feedback that wherever you are making mistakes, what are the portions you need to improve on. So I am going to share with you my contact number. Every day what you can do, I would give you one assignment topic, and if you completed that, okay, then you can send me a voice message on my WhatsApp so that I would give you personally a feedback wherever you are making mistakes and what are the portions you need to work upon. Because what happens, if you are repeating the same mistakes again and again, then you are not going to become fluent in English. So rather focus on a speed, you need to focus on the right direction. Okay, thank you so much. My background noise is coming because some people are coming. I am recording video from here, so I am going to stop right here.